So many students come to me and they ask me this question, sir, how much time it takes to learn English? And this question, I think it could be in your mind also. How much time it takes to learn English? How much time it takes to learn English? I want to learn English in couple of days, couple of months. And you would have seen some banners, learn English in 60 hours. And some people have written that 60 days. You can learn English in 60 days. Okay, if the person is not ready to learn, he is not regular, then what will happen? So nobody can teach you English in 60 days if you do not have purposeful learning. If you have come here just because your parents forced you, just because you were free, you joined English speaking classes, just because your friend is here, that's why you came here, so it is not going to work. Your purpose is very important. If you do not have burning desire for learning English language, you can't learn this language. You will be absent in classes, you will not perform your speech properly, you will not do hard work, you will not do practice, you won't do anything in your life because you do not have purpose. So you can't learn anything without purpose. If you will ask me this question, sir, why are you teaching English language? Tell me your purpose of teaching. So I have a very strong reason behind it. I am so passionate about teaching. I love to teach English language. When someone asks you, why do you want to learn English language? Say that I have a burning desire to learn English. Right? So when you say I have a burning desire, so your all excuses you will keep aside and you will just give result. See, if you are not interested in any particular thing, you do not have passion about any particular thing, and someone will tell you you have to do this, how would you do this? You don't want to become a singer, someone is giving mic in your hand and telling you sing a song. How would you sing? You don't want to become a cricketer and someone is giving you a bat to play cricket. How would you play? You don't want to become a speaker and someone is telling you just come on stage and speak 1 hour about positive thinking. How would you speak? You don't want to be a speaker. You don't want to be an accountant and someone is telling you that just do this account work for 1 hour. How would you do? But if you are passionate about something, if you are passionate about singing and someone is giving you mic in your hand and telling you sing, you will sing hours and hours without getting bored because you are passionate. If you are passionate about cricket and someone will give you bat and tell you just play 1 hour, you will play more than 1 hour because you are passionate about cricket. If you are passionate about accounts and someone will give his or her laptop to you and tell you that just do account work, then you will do it immediately because you are passionate about account. If you are passionate about speaking, you want to become a speaker like me, right? And someone will give you mic, someone will give you an opportunity to come here and speak few words. You will speak hours and hours because you are passionate about speaking. You want to become a speaker. So passion plays a very important role. If you do not have passion, nothing will work, right? And it's very true. It's very true. Just because of my passion, I am unique in teaching. There are a lot of students in SS English Academy. They are getting good improvement also because I am passionate. It shows my excitement for English language. Do you have the same excitement for learning? Yes or no?
Yes.
Where is your yes? Yes.
Yes.
Is it excitement?
Yes. Yes.
Do you have the same excitement for learning English?
Yes.
Great, then definitely you will learn because passion is important. One sentence which can help you to learn English. Can anybody tell me?
I can do it.
It will help you to learn English. We will, I'm great. These things are okay, but I'm talking about something else. Every day, 15 times, you have to say this sentence, 15 times. When you say any sentence again and again, then it goes to your subconscious. These are 4 words sentence. I can speak English. So this sentence we will practice now. You have to repeat this sentence after me. I can speak English. I can speak English. I can speak English. Keep saying this sentence 15 times. Start. Clap for yourself. If you say I can speak English, I can speak English, I can speak English, next thing what you have to do, when you say I can speak English, you have to go and you have to do practice. This is third step. Practice, practice, practice. Some people say that practice makes a man perfect, right?
Yes.
It's wrong. Right practice makes a man perfect. I always say right practice makes a man perfect. If you are doing practice of any particular thing in a wrong way, will it work?
No.
It won't work. You want to learn English and you are studying grammar, only grammar, English grammar continuously. It will not work. So what you need to do? You need to do right practice. The best practice which you can do is talk to yourself. Now it doesn't mean that you are going on road and you are talking to yourself. Today I am going to class. There is activity. Sir is going to Mumbai today. That's why sir has called every student in morning. Someone will come and someone will laugh at you. Right? It means that in your mind, see, when you are alone, when you are going somewhere, when you are alone, when you are going somewhere, your mind is still working. Your mind works 24/7. You sleep, but your mind doesn't sleep. When you sleep, your heartbeat stops working.
No.
When you sleep, your lungs stop working. No. Your organs are working. It means that you are unconscious. Your body parts are not unconscious. Right? So when you are alone, you are thinking something. Think in English. Talk to yourself in English. Go in front of mirror and speak about yourself, about your dressing, about your hairstyle, about your dressing sense, each and everything. Means there are a lot of things to discuss about. Right? Then after audio recording, I have already explained you. Record your audio. Make your video. How many of you are making videos? It is really one of the best experiences. You haven't experienced of making videos. Start making videos. Only 2 students are making videos. Make your video. You don't have to post it on social media. Keep it with you.